In this video, I will be showing you the tips on how to find subscription on my iPhone 16 in 2 ways. You can do it on any iPhone model. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on the Apple ID profile name. See the subscription option and see all active and inactive subscriptions. Let me clarify that if the subscriptions are missing, then check if the subscription was purchased directly through the service website or app like Netflix or Spotify. If so, you'll need to manage it on their platform. From here, we can cancel the subscription and stop at renewal for all the time. To get a refund, you have a valid reason, otherwise, we can't do that. The alternate method show the purchase history for specific duration. Let's follow me. First, open the App Store on the iPhone, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and tap on the purchase history option. See all the active subscription and find with the name, price, and order ID from the top search box. To change the history for the specific duration, tap on the blue label and change the date range, cost, or payment time. Now tap on the apply to see the statement of your purchase history on your iPhone. That's it. Comment below with your questions and suggestions. Please like, share, and subscribe for the new free tech guide video updates.